What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today, I'm going to show you how to ban someone on your Discord server. Now, I'm on my iPhone, but this works for desktop and Android as well. It is very similar steps. But once you have your Discord app opened, you're just going to head over to the server, and then you're going to click on the person that you want to ban from your server. I'm just going to choose a random person from my server here, because this is kind of a server I don't really care about anymore. But once I selected this random guy here, you're going to go to this screen right here, and then if you scroll down just a little bit, you will see an option to ban him, sort of in the middle of the screen right now, and then there is the red hammer that's right next to it if you can't see it. Once you click on that, you will be able to now ban them. It's going to give you an option to clear out all the previous message history. I'm just going to clear out the previous 7 days just for the purpose of this video. And then you could give them a reason for the ban. This is the reason that they're going to see why they're banned. Just fill something random out there. And then now you could see that that person is no longer part of the server. They will never be able to join the server again unless you go out of your way or any of your other mods go out of the way to unban them. And all their message history from the previous 7 days will be cleared if you chose to select that option. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you have any questions regarding bans on Discord, be sure to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da